Hi guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Annette.
Together, we are the adventurous pair. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. We're off to get showered. Well, I'm off to get showered outside his already. He's off to the recycling bin to recycle our rubbish. So I'm going to get showered, have breakfast, do a surface on the fan, and then we're going to get off to the west side of the Cairngorms this morning, do a little walk, and then we're going to head right down to the south of the Cairngorms. Hopefully, all being well, ready to climb the Munro Mount Keane tomorrow because the weather is looking fabulous tomorrow. There's a lot of heavy snow coming here this afternoon, so we're getting away from all that. Just a snowy walk to the shower block. It's like -2 out here. It is bitter. Lovely campsite showers. Not bad. So I've had my shower. It was lovely and warm. And now the snowy walk back to the van, I just love it. It's absolutely stunning. It's like a winter wonderland out here. So this campsite we stayed at last night, it's called Glenmore Camping Ground, I think. I don't know, it's the campsite's in Glenmore. The only campsite in Glenmore. But it's a beautiful campsite. It's full of like woodland area right next to Loch Morlich. Is how you pronounce it? If you look. Very secluded with the trees. You just camp in the trees in your van or caravan or tent or whatever. That's built the pitch there, somebody was there last night. And yeah, it's just beautiful.
So we're just leaving the site, but first we're going to stop off at the service point to do van duties. Then we're going to hit the road, and I think we're heading to... Where we're heading?
Oh, I don't know, west of Cairngorms.
We don't know where we're heading, but we'll let you know when we know.
I'm not sure if the water's frozen, but I'm certainly getting no water up this tap this morning. Great. So Alex is doing his favourite job, toilet. So I have to wear a mask, because you have to wear a mask inside the toilet blocks here in Scotland at the moment because of the pandemic. Goodbye, Alex, with the toilet. We're getting water, we're getting it. Woohoo! Hallelujah! Yeah! Filling Casper with some juice. Water. Well, I don't want to get him dehydrated. This is like a long, tedious job, just watching it fill. So we left the tap running for a bit and we finally got some water. So happy.
Sun's out, shade's out. Van duty's all done. So we're going to hit the road now.
Get my laptop charged while we're on the road.
Where are we heading?
I'm just going to put eye drops in, I can't see.
Okay. We're going to hit the road. We'll tell you where we are when we get there.
Hello. So
we've got our hiking stuff on and it's snowing again.
It started to snow, but it's 2 miles. It's going to be a mile up and then a mile down. It's just because we're already at 300 metres.
Yeah, it's like going up to 600 metres. We're in the Cromdale Hills and we're climbing. What do we call it?
I don't know.
No.
You know the name of it.
Skargurfi or something. Skargurfi or something. Probably pronouncing it completely wrong. But it's meant to be lovely views if it wasn't all hazy and snowy.
So we'll see what we see when we go up.
Yes, so that's what we're climbing in front. That's a little peak there. We've made it to a snowy summit.
You join us at the top of what we think is called Skargurfi Hill.
Yes, in the Cromdale Hills.
Cromdale Hills. Lovely views of nothing.
620 something metres high.
But it's snowing, so we're going to get ourselves back down towards the van now.
Yeah. It's beautiful up here with all the white views.
Yeah.
Apparently it's meant to be very nice up here. Wish we could actually confirm that.
I'll take your word for it.
Well, that's why I ain't been up, I've been told.
Hello. So it's not back down from the hill.
2.7 miles later.
Yeah.
Nearly 3.
Yeah, so it was nice. It was very snowy up there, as you've seen.
The blue sky's coming out now.
But as we've just come down,
typical.
So we're going to get ourselves changed, get back in the van and hit the road again.
Might go see a castle that was inspired. A castle inspired the Walt Disney Cinderella Castle.
There you go, you heard it here first.
So yes, I'll tell you what it's called, but I remember the name of it. Can't remember the name, guys.
Terrible.
Terrible names. What's your name?
So we're ready to depart. We decided we're not going to go to the castle because it's quite late on. So we're going to hit the road to tonight's park up.
Yeah, got quite a lot of drive. We're like a 2-hour drive, haven't we, to get to Salford Cairngorm. We're hoping to climb Mount Keene tomorrow, which is East Sunny, Merse Monroe in Scotland, which is located right there. So yeah.
We'll check in with you and get to tonight's park up.
So we're going to pack.
Will we?
Yes. Yeah. Near the start of the walk, aren't we?
Okay.
Hello, can we help you? Turn left. Yes, you go up there. So today's tea is our speciality. You're not assume that camera's so close to my face. Sorry. It is curry with naan bread. It's almost dark. We've got here that late. It's like 8 o'clock. This is late for us, guys. Perfect as always. Good old comfort.